We are on ground zero, battlefield Baramati, which is the most intense battle and the most watched battle in Maharashtra.
This is the Pawar bastion where the Bahu has been pitted against the Beti, who is a three-term MP. If the vertical split in the Nationalist Congress party wasn't dramatic enough, the split in the Pawar family has intensified this political saga.
This is a family, I don't say the street is the correct word. We have big family. We have 7 brothers. Now surviving few, but 7 brothers, 4 sisters. Our brothers, children, next generation, now they are also now quite active, they are in business. So except one family, Mr. Ajit Pawar, Mr. and Mrs. Pawar, and his 2 kids. Each and every member of the family doesn't subscribe this view.
While the world sees it as a battle between Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra and Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule, the family itself refuses to do so.
I mean, they are such a large party. Are you trying to tell me they couldn't find a candidate from Kashmir to Kanyakumari to fight against me? That they had to break into our family and make a lady fight against me?
संपूर्ण पवार कुटुंब तसंच इथं राष्ट्रवादी शरदचंद्रजी पवार साहेबांचे. It's a battle of ideology as well as issues, because if you look at ideologies, we support a very different ideology. Since last 60 years, Pawar Saab has fought against BJP and their thought process. But now, and in case of Ajit Dada also, for last 30 years, he was against BJP and their thought process. But now, due to some personal issues, he had to switch side.
What is this Adrushya Shakti? And it is clearly reflecting in a family as well.
Yeah, Adrushya Shakti is the BJP, the leaders of BJP, ED, CBI, and all those institutes who are used to suppress the voice of leaders.
On ground in Baramati, people are not happy with the split.
अजित पवार के खिलाफ सुप्रिया सुले, ऐसा युद्ध हमको दिखाई दे रहा है. क्या आपको बारामती करके नाते कभी लगा था कि ऐसा आपको देखने को
नहीं लगा था, लेकिन अभी तो जरूरत पड़ी है ना.
क्यों जरूरत पड़ी?
वो थोड़ा 70,000
रुपए कोटी का
जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर
क्या 70,000 कोटी का क्या
घोटाला हो गया ना, वो मोदी ने बोला था.
क्या आपको क्या लगता है, क्यों इतना गुस्सा है?
बीजेपी के साथ में गए, इसमें सब लोग गुस्से में हैं.
अजित पवार कह रहे हैं कि उनको सालों से साइडलाइन किया गया. पहले बाप को वोट दिया बारामती करों ने, अब बेटी को चुन के दिया है, तो अब अपनी बहू को चुन के दे दें.
तो पवार साहब ने, अजित दादा ने भी बोलना चाहिए कि विधानसभा में दूसरा आदमी चाहिए.
The Pawar Parivar's Gen Next are taken aback.
You know, the way the events have turned, Yogendra Pawar, we are seeing that the daughter of the house is pitted against the daughter-in-law of the house. Is it something that the family had anticipated even 6 months ago?
No, not at all. Not at all. Even 1 month ago, we hadn't anticipated. So 6 months, though, definitely not.
So when it was announced, what was your first reaction?
I thought it wouldn't happen. So initially, there was some speculation that this could happen. I didn't believe it.
Ajit Pawar's younger brother is unhappy with the whole situation and has decided to campaign for his cousin Supriya Sule instead. You have been on the side of Dada for all these years, 2019 onwards, when that whole drama unfolded outside your house. How is it that you have taken your stance this time? Have you spoken to Ajit Pawar?
Yes, I spoke to him, but my only point was not to contest against Supriya, because she is doing really good job, and for the last 17 years she is in the Member of Parliament. So I was thinking Dada should contest only for Baramati local elections as a MLA. But I don't know what went wrong. I mean, Saab gave him so many posts. For 25-30 years he was minister. To 2-3 times deputy CM. So I don't think he was sidelined.
Think that there is any reconciliation possibility?
As a family, we will be together, no doubt about it. But if you think as a politics, I don't think we'll get together.
The Baramati Lok Sabha constituency consists of 6 Vidhan Sabha constituencies. Now, if you look at the division of these constituencies, 2 Vidhan Sabha constituencies belong to the Congress, while the rest of the 4 belong to the Mahayuti. Now, the Mahayuti considers it as plain math, and that is why they think that they would get lead from the 4 Vidhan Sabha constituencies which are already with them, while Supriya Sule, Sharad Pawar and the Mahavikas Aghadi thinks that it is the emotional factor that will play a critical role in these elections, and that is why people will vote for Sharad Pawar over Ajit Pawar for the Lok Sabha elections. ऐसा कुछ फ़र्क नज़र आता है कि जिसके चलते आपको लगता है कि मेरी जो प्रतिस्पर्धी हैं उनके खिलाफ अगर मुझे लड़ना हो तो ये दिक्कत वाली या मुश्किल या आसान लड़ाई है?
नहीं, मुश्किल तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको पता होगा कि लोगों ने ही मेरी उम्मीदवारी की मांग की थी।